Hi guys, so today we've got this lovely Fortuna style property to show you. Might be perfect property for someone out there. So let's go in and I show you all around. So this is the property I'm showing you today. It's a Fortuna, and as you can see, just here is off-road parking and you've got a pedestrian gate. It's got plenty of established flowers and plants. It's very low maintenance garden as well. So first of all, I'm just going to show you the driveway. Now if you wanted, there is trees there, but you could take them out and there'll be enough room for about 2 cars there. So I'm just coming up the other side of the house, the side entrance. There's some lovely wind chimes. You have a fabulous pool. And just there you've got some seating with some lovely cushions and a place for you to lounge. You've also got your barbecue there. Beautiful decorative Buddhas and decorative stonework around the garden. So you got an area out here where it's shaded at the moment, but later on in the day you're going to get the sun's going to be a nice sun trap. You can sit out here and have a little bit of lunch. So I'm upstairs here now, and you have another outside space where you can enjoy a meal. You could put some false grass down, maybe a little bar up here, or a lady spa if you want it. And your views over there are some beautiful mountains. So let me take you back downstairs again, and we go into the main house. So I've come back down the stairs now. We're going back around to the front of the property and go in. So I've come back around to the front of the property, and let's go into the main house itself. Now these steps lead up onto a terrace. You have a nice large terrace here, lovely areas to sit. You have your umbrella and nice long table for a family for outside dining. Now the windows have reccas and blackout blinds, and just above there you've got overhead light. So let me go inside and check it out. So I've just come into the main property itself, and in these Fortunas they have nice long decent size living spaces. So you have your feature fireplace there. There is a log burner in there. That door with the frosted glass window leads to the kitchen. You have of course got your ceiling lights and fans, just showing you everything. And you've got 2 windows in this property opposite the door, so it illuminates the room lovely. So I'm just going to take you through this archway and we'll have a look around. Now the first bedroom is a small bedroom. It has ceiling light and fan, it has aircon, and you got bunk beds in here. Great for children. If I just pan around here, you have got your overhead storage and your double wardrobe there as well. So it's a decent sized room. And it's also got the TV for the kids in here. So straight across is another bedroom, and you have aircon, ceiling light and fan. You have got reccas and blackout blinds on the windows here as well, and you have 2 beds in here. You've also got your overhead storage and your double wardrobe. So I'm just going in here to show you the family shower room. You have a shower cubicle there. You have a bidet, sink and vanity unit. You've got your frosted glass window, and you've got shaving socket up there as well. You can hear all that noise is just the chimes going. They really sound beautiful. More storage there, and it's fully tiled as well. You have got a socket above for an overhead heater if you wanted to have one. Now just in here, this is the double master bedroom. Lovely bedroom. You have got your aircon and your ceiling light and fan. Just going to give you a good glimpse. It gets illuminated beautifully with the sun beaming in, and you have your double wardrobe with your overhead storage there as well. Bedroom. Really large bed in here. So I'm going to go in and around. So we're coming back into this very spacious living room with that lovely feature fireplace, and where the door is frosted glass window, that leads to the kitchen. So in the kitchen you've got plenty of top and base units, your integrated oven and hob, your washing machine, sink and drainer, and on the other side again more worktop space and units. You've also got your fridge freezer there as well, and you've got spotlights above. And of course this leads out onto this patio area here, which I was telling you about earlier. Whew. So guys, what do you think of this property? It's a lovely little Fortuna. It's a 3-bedroom property. You have a lovely terrace to enjoy in the afternoon and a fabulous pool. You've got a rooftop solarium which you could do loads with, put your own stamp on it, and you have off-road parking. Very low maintenance garden to the front, which is ideal for out here, especially if you're using this as a holiday home. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. In the title of the video I will leave the reference number, and some of you have been asking, how do I know which sector the property's on? The last letter of the reference says what sector the property's on, okay? So until the next time, take care, and I'll see you all again.